Hi, Angelica here, 3D printer girl from 3dprintertech.com. And where we left off were the spool holders, and today we're going to add the upper Z motor mount. And just a quick mention that I added 4 T slot nuts on one of the ends right here for my electronics. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to, mount the electronics later on the build. So, okay, so for the upper Z motor mount, what we're going to need is the printed part, the motor, 4 M5s, M5 screws with the washers on them, 4 M3 washers, 10 millimeters, M3 screws with the washers, they're 10 millimeters, and 10 T-slot nuts. Okay, so this is how this goes. You take the printed part and align the 4 holes on the motor, and we'll take the M3s with a washer and we will screw it in. So what I do is I take the screws first and put them on and tighten them later, just to make sure they're all in the holes. And I'll take 2 of the M5s with the washers, and we stick them right here. Just like that. And again, you just need to thread it once because we're going to need to stick that into the bracket. There you go. And just make sure that your wires are going this way towards the middle here, like that. Okay, so what we're going to do now, actually before we screw that in, what we're going to do is take 4 of these T-slot nuts on each side of the front, right here. So we slide the T-slot nuts into the bracket, and you just make sure that your spool holders are loose so you can move the brackets around so this can fit. It's always tricky. That's why you need to make sure that there's enough space in there. You could get tricky. There's the three. I'm not sure why. Alright, there's one. There you go. It's easier if you hold it down in the back, more stable. So, just loosen this up a little bit. All the way in. Okay, just like that, and make sure the holes are aligned. Okay, and we'll take the M5 screws. Okay, and we'll tighten them. Like that. Not hard at all. Your grandmother can do this. And there you go.